Frozen tiramisu using Blue Ribbon's deliciously creamy buttermilk ice cream.
Start by lining a 10cm by 20cm loaf pan with 2 layers of plastic wrap, leaving the ends of the wrap hanging over the sides. Place the pan in the freezer for 10 minutes to chill. For the coffee mixture, get a bowl and mix together coffee, sugar, and coffee liqueur if you're using it. Sift some cocoa powder over the base of the loaf pan, then dip 6 biscuits, one at a time, into the coffee mixture, turning to coat, and arrange them lengthways in the pan. Take the Blue Ribbon ice cream out of the freezer and leave it to soften for about 5 minutes. Then spoon it into a bowl and stir until smooth. Spoon half the ice cream over the biscuits in the pan. Continue layering with more biscuits dipped in coffee mixture and the rest of the ice cream. Finish with a layer of biscuits. Dust more cocoa powder over the top, then cover with overhanging plastic wrap and pop in the freezer for 6 hours. When you're ready to serve your frozen tiramisu, turn it onto a chilled serving plate and remove the plastic wrap, and then top with chocolate curls, chocolate topping, and cut into slices. Enjoy the classic flavour of Blue Ribbon's signature buttermilk vanilla ice cream. For more dessert recipes, head to our playlist here, and to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe.